What should happen during the home inspection? As a home buyer, you're excited about buying a new home, but there's a lot of work to do before closing. The home inspection is your chance to get an expert evaluation of the property to ensure everything is in good condition. Here are 3 things you should expect from your home inspection. Number 1. A home inspection is an in-depth examination of the property to identify any potential problems. An experienced inspector will examine the property inside and out, looking for potential issues affecting the home's overall safety, function, and structure. The inspector will check the condition of the roof, siding, walls, plumbing, electrical systems, and more. Number 2. You should be present during the inspection so that you can ask questions and learn more about your new home. A home inspection allows you to learn more about the condition of a home you're interested in and ask any questions you may have. It's also a good time to get to know your inspector and build a relationship with someone who can help you with questions about maintaining your new home. Your inspector will likely be able to provide you with tips on home maintenance. Number 3. You should expect to receive a report detailing all the findings after the inspection is complete. The report will include information on the condition of a home and any potential repairs that may need to be made. You should use the report to help you decide whether or not to purchase the property. A home inspection is an important part of the home buying process. It gives you a chance to get an expert evaluation of the property so you are aware of the condition. By knowing what to expect from your inspection, you can be sure you're getting the most out of this valuable service. Call us now to schedule an inspection if you're ready to buy a home. We'll help ensure this part of the home buying process goes smoothly.